Hello, welcome to the April 2021 Tea Leaf Fortune from the Whispering Teacup. This month, the tea leaves is soaked in a Saturday afternoon monster movie. Feels as if we got hit with a sledgehammer. Four main shapes play a part in the movie: birds, a duck, a beaver, and a rooster. Two shapes co-star in the movie: a squirrel, a dragon's head. Our head is spinning round and round. To get a handle of the situation, let's circle the shapes. In week 1, two birds sit on a wire watching the action. In week 2, a rooster. In week 3, a beaver. In week 4, a squirrel. Something is making our heads spin, but what? Let's find a scene taking the flick. In week 1, two birds sit on a wire, like spectators, or a courtship. Take it as it sounds. In week 2, a rooster. Confidence, honesty, and arrogance. But really, a tornado of energies with the heart of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. In week 3, it's as if the whole countryside catches their breath as a beaver walks towards the rooster. Hardworking, humble, and crafty, with the heart of an ankylosaurus. In week 4, a squirrel jumps into the scene, like an ally for the beaver. The squirrel could symbolize something stowed away, or something deceptive. In this case, a clever plan has been stowed away for the beaver. But take a look at the entire scene. The beaver may have brought in a crafty ally, but the rooster has transformed into a dragon's head. Now we know why our head feels like it's been hit with a sledgehammer. But what else is stirring on the countryside? What about spring? As we move to the climax of the movie, the ending seems predictable. The whole countryside is about to yawn and cry foul, and that's what happens. But there's something strange in the air. The squirrel turns into a duck on the surface of a sea. Now consider this. The Tyrannosaurus Rex and the Ankylosaurus had their time. They walked on this earth. But where are they now? Some would say, oh, that's just nature. But what about this? Millions and millions of lost opportunities between the Tyrannosaurus Rex and the Ankylosaurus make up the entire sea. So before you cry foul, ask yourself, what's the real tragedy here? You paid your ticket. A big climatic ending seems fair. But they were big-time hitters across the countryside. But what was their world like after the asteroid strike? So, nothing about their fate was small, except for this. An opportunity rears its head from the sea in the form of a duck. What the hawk is to the eagle, the rooster is to the beaver. And now, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is to Ankylosaurus. And now, the whole countryside lays at their feet. Now that's a strange turn of events, but also deeply satisfying for the audience. But that's fate for you. It's got a strange way of bringing everything together. So there's no reason to cry foul now, is there? Well, this has been the Rooster and the Beaver, and the April 2021 tea leaf fortune from the Whispering Teacup. Know this, you get a cup of tea in you. It could be the moment when things start to turn around. Take care. Chin chin. The music was brought to you by bensound.com.